Hello friends, welcome to Fin Ideas. Today we will discuss the comparison between risk and return profile of equities versus options. Friends, when we buy equity, we need to pay full amount of the value of that equity, while when we buy options, we have to pay premium only. So because of the investment of full amount versus premium, the risk and return profile of the asset differs. For example, suppose Nifty is running at 7,000 at this time, while the 7,000 call option is running at 300 rupee. So if we buy Nifty at 7,000 and if Nifty moves up by 700 points, so when Nifty moves up by 700 points, that means it will reach to 7,700, then we will earn 10% return, because we have invested 7,000 rupee for equity and now the value is 7,700, so we are making 10% return. While at the same time, when Nifty moves by 700 points, the call option of 7,000 call, which was earlier was 300 rupee, will become 700. So here we will make 133% return. So that means in favorable scenario, when equity is making 10% return, you can earn almost 133% return in options. While we should understand the unfavorable scenario also. Suppose now the market has fallen down by 700 point, then Nifty will reach from 7,000 to 6,300 and we are going to lose 10% on our investment. While here the call option will become from 300 to 0. So that means that you are going to lose full 100%. So friend, this proves that options are having high risk and high return profile. That means if someone wants to earn very quickly, or he is having a good opportunity and he wants to earn good money with reasonable investment or with very low investment, at that time he can choose option buying strategies. While I should add one more thing over here, that when we are buying call option and if we don't want to take the risk of full 100% investment, then we can hedge these options with another options. We can convert the plain vanilla call buying strategy to bull call spread, bull put spread, bear call spread, bear put spread in such a way so that our investment should not sunk at the end of the month. So if we want to take less risk, then we should convert the plain vanilla options to option strategies. Friends, I hope you must have liked this video. If you like this YouTube, just don't forget to click on like button. You can subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get future notification from us. You can also visit our website named www.finideas.com. Once again, thanks for visiting finideas.com. Thank you.